subscribe Natural Health Plus. Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Natural homemade anti-inflammatory aloe vera face wash. Skin care is a complex of procedures that are aimed at maintaining and strengthening the skin. Skin care exists at different levels in the life of each person. It can be regular creams and gels, but also home remedies. The main thing is to choose the right one. We chose the ideal recipes for different types of skin, which can help you to clean the skin perfectly, avoid pimples and wrinkles and remove dead skin cells. The ideal cleanser for dry skin. Mingle half a honey teaspoon and half a cup of yogurt. Leave for several minutes, and after that wash it. The best cleanser for sensitive skin. Make a scrub from 1 spoon of honey, 1 part of papaya and 1 leaf of aloe vera without skin. The natural face cleanser for oil skin. Add 1 tablespoon of oats in half a tablespoon of honey. Mix it and rub into the skin. Then rinse it off. The cleanser for all types of skin. Mix half a teaspoon of salt and half a cup of cold water. Use as a tonic or detergent every day. Try these homemade facial cleansers and you will notice how your skin will become elastic, lively and young.